Can you see the whiteboard?
Yeah.
What it mean by probability? Probability means chance or possibility to happen an event. Got it? Probability
Yes.
means chance or possibility to happen an event. For example, if we toss a coin, then we can get either head or tail. Then if we want to find like hat, then probability to get hat is, we can say like 50% or half, means half chance of hat and we have half chance of tail. Got it?
Yes. Yeah.
But for each experiment, we can't find like in this way. So we have formula. Okay. So basic formula of probability is equal to number of favorable
Outcome. Yeah.
favorable
Upon total
outcomes.
number
Yes, over total number of outcomes.
of outcomes.
So you know about outcomes. What are they?
Yeah.
Okay. Upon total number of outcomes. Okay. So let us take one example. Okay. In which we will learn how to find probability and can form probability distribution. Okay. And how can we choose random variable?
Okay.
Means for one coin we can find easily. Okay. Let us do for either for 2 or 3 coins. Okay. Because they'll give you for maximum, like for general example, they'll give you maximum for 3 heads. If they'll give you more tries, then we will use binomial distribution later. Okay, we will learn. So let us take an example of 3 coins. When we toss 3 coins together, or we can take, if a coin is tossed 3 times, then we have same number of outcomes, same outcomes we have. Okay.
Okay.
So if a coin tossed 3 times, or 3 coins toss at once. Then we have outcomes. As you know about outcomes,
Yeah. So 6.
we can get, no, we need to write all conditions related. Okay.
Oh,
How
okay.
we can
Okay.
get tail, tail, tail in all 3.
Yes.
Okay. Either we are, if we are using a coin, then we can get
Uh-huh.
tail, tail, tail in all toss. Okay.
This must come.
Or
Yes.
if we are using 3 coins, then we can consider we can get tail, tail, tail on both on all 3 coins. Or we can get
Yes.
a head on first, tail on both, like this also, a head in these 3 ways. Are you getting me?
Yes.
See, here we have no head. In these 3 conditions, we have one head. And for 2 heads, we can have, or we can have maximum 3 heads. You got?
Okay.
Outcomes
Yes.
means we need to take all possible conditions.
Yeah.
Got it? So we have these 8. Got it now? Now,
Yes.
if we want to find probability to get hat, then we will consider random variable accordingly. Okay, so let us understand about random variable. Let X be a random variable.
Okay.
If we are finding probability for hats, then we take which denotes number of
We can't see where you're writing.
Yeah,
Okay.
over here.
Okay, now we can see it's writing. Okay.
we are taking X be a random variable, which denotes number of hats.
Okay.
So here we have value of X. For no hat, we have value 0. When we have in all three condition, we have tail, tail, and tail. Then we take X is equal to 0 because there is no hat. Because random variable denotes number of hats. So here we don't
Yes.
have any hat. So we'll take here 0. So value of X is 0. And for one hat, it is 1. And for maximum 2 hats, we have here. Okay. So values of
Yes.
random variable, we have 0, 1, and 2 for this experiment. Okay, when we toss a coin 3 times or we toss 3 coins at once. Got it?
Yes.
Now let us form probability distribution. First of all, we will find probability for each value of random variable. How? Let's know. X, and here we will write outcomes. To write outcomes, this is not mandatory, but just for understanding. Okay, from the next time when we form distribution,
Okay.
then we don't need, just for understanding. In Px, first value we have 0, and for 0 we have only one outcome. Total, see here we have 8 outcomes. Total we have 4 and 4,
8
we
out.
have 8 outcomes. So for X is equal to 0, we have only one outcome. So its probability will be, see, we have only one favorable outcome and total we have 8. So its probability is 1 by 8. Got it?
Yes.
Next, for one hat, we have 3 outcomes as tail, tail, hat, tail, hat, tail, and hat, tail, tail. We have these 3 outcomes. So
Yes.
to get one hat, we have probability 3 by 8 because we have 3 favorable outcomes and total we have 8. Got it?
Yes.
And for 2 hat, oh, 1 second. Here, because in 3 coins or in 3 toss, we have maximum 3 hats. Yes, we have maximum 3 hats. So we have one
Mm.
more value of random variable. We can get maximum 3 hats.
Okay.
So now let us write outcomes for 2 hats. We have hat, tail, hat, tail, hat, and tail, hat. So here we have also 3 outcomes. So its corresponding probability is also 3 by 8. And for 3 hats, we have only one out. So its corresponding probability will be 1 by 8. Got it? So
Okay.
when we take values of random variable and its corresponding probability, then this formation is said to be probability distribution. As
So, Devitra, what
yes,
was the question? Like, are we looking for head in each of the row of the coin? Or all three? All three, head on all three?
yes, they'll ask you like find the probability to get 2 hats. Then
So
we can
if a
use
coin toss 3 times, like, right? We are
yes.
doing that, right? If a
Yes.
coin is three, it tossed three times. So
Yes.
probability of each time it being head, huh?
No, means if a coin is
So
tossed
what
three
is the
times,
question? Yeah.
yes,
Yeah. So what
yeah,
is the question? If a coin is tossed three times, so head
yes.
what is the probability of coming head at each time, right?
No, they'll ask like this, find like probability to get two heads. Two heads means in three toss, uh,
Two head, two times
we
head,
need to get two heads.
two
Like
times head.
obviously we can
Okay.
get maximum three
Okay.
heads, but we need to find for only
Yeah.
two.
Okay. 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 So this is the way you are making variables, huh?
Yes. So if we take a random variable and along with corresponding probability, then this form is said to be probability distribution.
Okay.
So have you studied about probability distribution?
No
Akshay?
probability.
Distribution? No.
No.
So for-
Probability. No. It's probability. The chapter probability is just being started.
No, so this distribution in your 10th में तो था ही नहीं ना.
Nine.
11th, 12th, okay. Right. So good that you're teaching this thing, because she's new to this.
You got it here?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we will take one example of dice. Okay. Are you aware with okay. Let's do
So
one
the answer where two times head will come in three tosses will be 3/8, is it?
yes. Means
It will
because
H2 and then PH is 3/8. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's okay. All three PH, okay. Right. Okay. Okay, but Devitra, in this, see, it's only three times we are throwing the coin. If it is at n times, so how does it
yes,
work?
we will do later probability distribution. Like if we have n times, 1,000 times or 100 times, then we use binomial distribution. Okay, later we will do. Okay.
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 Yes.
Okay.
For that, we need to know formula of combination about factorial value and all. So we will do one by one. Okay.
Okay.
But you teach her an example, like ask her a question, like give her a sum, and let's see how she works and how you can explain it to her.
What you want a question like this, like if we toss a coin 1,000 times or 100 times, like this?
No. In any question, like ask
Basic question.
ask her any question, like give her any sum to
Sure. I'll give her.
so that your and the student interaction should be, how it is, how well you are going to discuss
Sure.
with her.
I'll give her practice questions. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. So let us do one example of die. Shall we?
Yes.
Uh,
Promise.
If a die is thrown at once, then outcomes we can get either one upper face, or 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. Meaning is that we can get any number out of these 6. So we have these 6 conditions. Okay. So probability to get any number on upper face will be the same as, because each number has obviously one outcome, one as a favorable outcome. Okay.
Yes.
They'll ask you like this, find the probability to get an even number, to get an odd number, to get an
Odd
prime number, like this. They'll not ask you like find the probability to get number 5. Okay. They'll ask you a little bit like using a trick, like find the probability to get an even number or odd or prime. Okay. So let us do accordingly. So probability
Matsya, in your syllabus, are they going to ask the such simple question like
But this basic is
Okay.
required to
Gotcha.
get through the binomial distribution and
Gotcha.
So, probability to get an even number. We have three
yes.
favorable outcomes. We have 2,
So
4,
2,
and 6.
4, 6. So 3 out of 6. So 1 by 2.
Yes. Similarly, we can find for odd number and can find for prime number also. So you can do yourself.
Yes.
Okay. And now let us
Okay.
do one example. When we throw 2 dice together. Okay.
Okay.
Because for one die, there will be a short type of question. For 2 dice, they can give you a middle or long type of question. Okay. So let us
Yeah.
do for 2 dice. If 2 dice are thrown together, then outcomes. See, in this condition, we have like different way to find outcomes. Okay. So just concentrate on it. See, we'll take first row as take 1 on first die and 1 on second die. Like keep 1 on first die fix in this row, and we'll do take 1 by 1 all numbers with second die. Like we have 1 on first die, we have 1 on first die, 2 on second, 1 on first, 3 on second, 1 on first, 4 on second.
1 on 5.
Yes.
1 and
1,
6.
5, and 1 on 6. Now we'll take 2 on first die and 1 on second. Now this in this row, we'll take 2 on first and rest of we'll use all numbers on second. And
Okay.
we'll do till to 6. Okay.
Yes.
So we'll have total 36 outcomes when we throw
Yes.
2 dice together. There will not be need to find these to write these 36 outcomes. You will take directly letter. I'll tell you how can. Okay. But
Okay.
we need to understand that is why we are writing all. Okay.
Okay.
Are you getting me?
Yes.
So we have total 36 outcomes. They'll ask you question like this, find probability to get some 2 on both die or 3, 4, any like minimum sum will be 2 and maximum will be 12. Okay, so they can ask you some like this, like to find some 2 to, or to find some 3 or 8 or 5 or maximum till to 12. So let
Okay.
us do few of them and rest of I'll give you. Okay.
Okay.
probability to find some eight of numbers on both dice.
Okay.
They can give you like question like this, find the probability to find some 10 or 9 means not mandatory, then they'll give you of numbers on both dice. They can give you till here also. Meaning is same, okay? You need to find some of like which you get on both dice. So if we need to find probability to get some 8. So let us see how many favorable outcomes we have to find some 8. Total we have 36. See,
Yes.
see, we have this
Um,
to find 8, some 8.
X plus 1,
We have
1 plus 6,
outcome
3, 5. So 5.
and these two more. Yes, we have 5 favorable outcomes. In total, we have 36. So probability is 5 by 36. Got it?
Yes.
So you can find probability to find some 2 or for some 3 or 4 till to 12 in this way. Got it? So you can do
Yes.
yourself this.
Yes.
So, Devitra, we understood your style of teaching. That's very good. We are very easy your teaching. So, Matsya, you have so Devitra, you have the syllabus. Like this is very basic, she can very easily do. But your style is good, of course. So have you seen the syllabus, even
Yes,
probability
yes.
syllabus?
Yes. Yes, I
Okay.
have your
You have
syllabus.
seen that. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, okay. Very good. Yeah. So, just can I have a, can you come on the, what camera? We can have a look at you also, and then we can discuss in the night. I can speak to you
Sure, sure,
later.
sure,
We
sure.
have understood your style. So, like, just to before, if we can just see you also, exactly.
Sure. All right. So is it enough for you today? For today?
Yeah, basically, yeah, because basically your style is okay, So see, basically, it's not about that, what she has to be taught today, It should be that you both should be comfortable. We should be comfortable with you. You should be comfortable with us. That
Yeah,
is the idea. So that's why I just wanted to, because your style is okay, So there's nothing wrong in that. So just wanted to have a look at you also, so that we know to whom we are talking to.
okay, we'll call later so you can see. Okay.
Sorry,
Because we
I
are
didn't
working
understand.
whiteboard. So, you can check my profile. I'll give you a link so you can see me over there. Is that okay with you?
So right now you're not in a comfortable position to come online, is it? To come to show your face.
Yeah, yeah. Right now, because on my camera, because I use whiteboard, so I disabled my camera in laptop. That is why.
Okay, so can you
Yeah, yeah,
once again enable your camera?
yeah, yeah.
So can you put on the camera? Just for final, we
Yeah,
should
that
know,
is
to
why.
whom
Because I
to
work
put
on
a
board.
face put a face. No, so you can close the whiteboard now because your style of teaching we have understood. I have understood. My wife has just said she has understood. Of course, you have seen my daughter. You can see me
Sure.
also.
So we can
So
discuss
just
on.
to put a face on the person whom we are speaking, it always helps.
Sure, sure. We can video call later on call. Okay. Because I work on whiteboard, so I disable my camera here. That is why I can't. Okay.
So, okay, no problem, no problem. It's okay. Okay, Devita, thank you so much. No problem. Yeah. So let me speak to my wife and then I'll come back
Sure,
to
sure.
you in the
Sure,
night. In the morning, we'll speak. Okay, chalo. Thank you so much.
Okay. You're welcome.
Thank you. Sure. Bye bye.